In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS with Zapier in just 5 minutes. This simple process will help you automate your messaging tasks easily and efficiently. To begin, head over to Zapier's website. If you're new to Zapier, you'll find it's a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and automates workflows for you. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on Log In. This will bring you to the login page where you can sign in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard, which is your central hub for managing tasks, or Zaps as they're called on this platform. To create a new Zap, click on the Create button, which is conveniently located near the top of the page. Next, click on the Zaps button. This will take you to a page where you can choose what kind of automation you'd like to set up. Here, you'll want to start by selecting a trigger for your Zap. A trigger is an event that kickstarts the process, so click on the Trigger option to begin setting this up. In the search bar that appears, type weather and then select the weather app from the list. This means our automation will start based on information from a weather-related event. Once you've picked weather as your trigger app, the next step is to choose the specific event that will trigger your Zap. In this case, select today's forecast. This will make your Zap run based on the daily weather forecast, which can be a great way to send weather alerts through SMS. After selecting your trigger event, you'll want to test it. Click on the test button to ensure everything is working perfectly. If the test runs successfully, move forward by clicking on Action. This is the part where we decide what happens when our trigger event occurs. Type SMS into the search bar and select the SMS app from the list, then choose an event for the action step. Since our goal is to send a text message, click Send SMS. At this stage, you may need to sign into your account used for sending SMS, so click Sign in on account to authorize Zapier to access your messaging service. Before you finish, it's essential to test your Zap. Click on Test to make sure the SMS is sent successfully based on the weather forecast trigger. Once everything looks good and the test is successful, it's time to go live with your new automation. Simply click on Publish and your Zap is ready to run. This is a streamlined way to automate sending SMS alerts based on weather forecasts. You can adjust the triggers and actions to fit your needs and explore the numerous possibilities Zapier offers for automation. Hope you found this guide simple and informative. Happy automating!